So we got olive oil, red wine vinegar, some crushed garlic, lemon juice. Better than bouillon, really good stuff. And then we got all our herbs here: rosemary, basil, oregano, ground sage, garlic powder, thyme. We got soy curls, ground black pepper. I got my marinade already there. So it was 1.5 cups with the olive oil and red wine vinegar. And then so I put 1.5 cups of the water because you got to dilute the hell because it concentrates. Soy curls, they concentrate. That's what they do. Tons of flavor. Milliliters of water and liquid is pretty close to the gram weight. So 700 grams, sorry. So then you're going to take that and divide that by 3.33, and that'll tell how much grams of soy curls you need. I took the 700 grams of liquid or whatever, and I divided that by 3.33. That tells me that I need 210 grams of soy curls. So pretty much boil this, throw that in there, mix it up a little bit, throw a lid on it, wait 10 minutes, and then we're gonna throw it in the convection oven. Add it in there, mix it up a bit. It'll soak all that deliciousness. Throw a lid on, wait 5 minutes, we'll mix it up some more. Wait another 5 minutes, and that should all be soaked up. Even add extra if you wanted, like a marinade. And then that way, whatever's remaining with the marinade, you can use that for like a salad or like whatever you want, you know, because there's no cross-contamination. As you can see, most of the liquid is soaked up. Dump it on a baking sheet, liquid and everything, because it'll continue to soak that up a bit. Like the liquid should have been already fully absorbed, but that's all good. I could, I guess, separate it because it always comes out better when they have like space to bake and roast and stuff. This should be fine. I'll give it a little shake. All right. So then we're gonna take this. Fuck, that's hot. God. Throw it in the oven. So 20 minutes, 400 convection, and all right. So that's 20 minutes at 400. I'll mix it up a little bit. All right, and then we put them back in. That came out pretty good with the 10 minutes. Yeah. That's decent. But yeah, maybe 15 minutes at 325. That's probably better.